Nancy, great to see you. Kind of catch us up here on Nvidia's, your thinking, this valuation now, opportunities in China, and all the rest of it.
Good to see you, Kelly. You look great, healthy.
Thank you. Sleep deprived.
So
but yeah,
I guess I would say, what?
Sleep deprived, but go ahead.
Well, you had the same 5.5 kids. So I guess I would just say that the valuation is not as stretched as everyone would argue. I don't know that you buy it here. We were adding during the April tariff tantrum. We picked some off at $108 a share. We added to the position while we've been trimming Broadcom, which has actually outperformed Nvidia over the last year. But if you look at fiscal year earnings growth, 2026 is supposed to be 45%, then 33% in 27, 14% in 28, and it's currently trading at a forward PE of 40. So you're actually paying less than 1 times on a price earnings to growth basis. So unless you think the growth in this company is done, I don't think you sell the stock here. I don't think you necessarily buy more, but on dips, you step in and add to the holdings. I would also just point out AMD is actually up more because their M1 chip is going to get reinstated as well, and that's going to benefit the whole space. So the AI trade is what as an investor I'm focused on. I've been talking about productivity for the last 3 years, the analogies to the 90s, and the need to pivot to old economy companies that are invested in the new technologies, and then the providers of, or embracing the new technologies, and then the providers of the picks and shovels. So I think we still love it, and we continue to hold it. It's one of our largest holdings in our growth strategy.
That will be reassuring news, although maybe bittersweet for those who didn't jump in as the stock kept kind of making those comeback moves. And AMD, to your point, up 6%. You mentioned trimming Broadcom. I mean, what else do you do tactically in the AI space right now?
Well, so we've been trimming the winners. So this morning we were in trimming Broadcom and Oracle. Oracle was both are the largest holdings in our TGLR ETF. With Oracle at 6.5%. So we wanted to declare some victory. We still like the names for the long term. And I think you still want to own many, or if not all of the names. I was on with you right before earnings with Microsoft. We were buying it. We rarely do that ahead of earnings, and the stock's up something like 25 or 30% from where we added it. So that's what I would just encourage your viewers to do is be patient. Don't get FOMO. But then remember what I've talked about a lot, which is, when you go back and look at Amazon, I don't have the numbers as of today, but it's up hundreds of thousands of percent since the IPO. When was it too late to buy it? If you believe in the regime change that Nvidia is providing and their ability to pivot, I think they will pivot to quantum, at the right time, which they've already done. Then I think you want to continue to own the name. Great managements with vision. That's what you want to own in this kind of an environment.